Have you ever tried the experiment before? Well, I know I have, and I enjoy it very much. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Wei, and today I will be conducting an experiment called the color fountain. Now, let's begin. The ingredients we need for this experiment are a container, water, a measuring cup, a dishwasher, baking soda, citric acid, a bottle, and food coloring. Now let's begin our experiment. Firstly, fill the bottle with water about 150 ml. Secondly, add 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Do you know that water in scientific form is called HO2? Yeah, water is a greenhouse gases. Water, methane, and other substances can cause the earth to lead to greenhouse gases, and it will involve climate change. Now, squeeze the dishwasher and put 10 drops inside of the bottle, followed by 10 drops of food coloring. Any option is fine. My option is blue, since it reminds me of the sky. Shake the bottle well. Now, add 3 teaspoons of citric acid into the bottle. Wait for it. Now you can see the bubbly effects of the color fountain. This experiment was fun and amazing. However, there's a problem to this experiment. If younger kids drink the liquid inside their bottle, they will probably need to go to the hospital. But in order to save them from going there, you could label the experiment as experiment warning. I hope you enjoyed my experiment and thank you for listening.